Hey Arpit, what's up buddy? Hey Raj, not much, just drowning in my books and notes. These second year exams are creeping up faster than I expected. Tell me about it. I can already feel the same stress building up. But you know what they say, work hard now, pay hard later. Haha, true that, Raj. We've got to give it our all and make the most of this year. I want to score really well. Absolutely Arpit. We're in this together. You've always been a great motivator. Remember how you pulled us through last year's exams? Thanks, Raj. It's just that having a friend like you keeps me growing. We've got to support each other. That's the spirit, buddy. You know what my dad always says? Efforts will always pay off. So let's give our 100% in preparing for these exams. Your dad is a wise man. I agree with him. Let's start with a study schedule and stick to it religiously. Regular study sessions, group discussions, and even teaching each other can really boost our understanding. Great idea, Arpit. We should make a checklist of the topics to cover, and we can mark them off as we go. It'll give us a sense of accomplishment. And we shouldn't forget to take short breaks too. A game of chess or a quick chat during our breaks will keep our mind fresh. You're right, Arpit. We need to strike a balance. We're not just studying for exams but also for our future. That's the right perspective, Raj. A little short-term sacrifice for long-term gain. Plus, the sense of achievement when we ace these exams will be worth it. Definitely, Arpit. Let's push each other to do better, keep each other motivated, and stay positive throughout this journey. Agreed, Raj. We've got this. And when it's all over, we'll celebrate our success together. Absolutely right. Let's study hard and make this year count. We'll perform our best.